Let's be honest, most saucepans promise non-stick performance, but after a few uses, food still clings, cleanup becomes annoying, and cooking just feels harder than it should be. If you're looking for cookware that actually makes everyday meals easier, healthier, and more enjoyable, you're going to want to see this. Today, I'm reviewing the Michelangelo Nonstick Saucepan with lid set, a ceramic saucepan collection designed for real-life cooking, not just showroom shelves. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now, this is a 3-piece saucepan set, including 1 quart, 2 quart, and 3 quart pots, which already makes it incredibly versatile. Whether you're heating up milk, making instant oatmeal, cooking soup, simmering sauces, or preparing quick gravies, there's a size that actually fits what you're cooking. No oversized pots or wasted space. One of the biggest reasons people are switching to this set is the ceramic nonstick coating. Unlike traditional coatings, this one is completely free from PFOA, PFOS, PTFE, and PFAS, which means you're cooking on a surface designed with health in mind. And the performance doesn't suffer at all. Food releases smoothly, sauces don't scorch easily, and even delicate recipes are much easier to manage. Another standout feature is how easy these saucepans are to clean. After cooking, most of the time all you need is a quick rinse with warm, soapy water. No heavy scrubbing, no soaking for hours, and no frustration. And if you prefer the dishwasher, these pans are dishwasher safe, making cleanup even simpler. Now let's talk about heating performance, because this is where a lot of saucepans fall short. The Michelangelo saucepans are built with a durable aluminum alloy base, which helps distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. That means fewer hot spots, more consistent results, and better control, especially important when you're cooking sauces or anything that requires steady heat. They're also compatible with all stovetops, and all sizes except the 1 quart pan can be used on induction cooktops. That flexibility makes this set a great option whether you're upgrading your cookware or moving into a new kitchen setup. Key features and highlights. Healthy ceramic non-stick coating with no PFOA, PFOS, PTFE, or PFAS. Ultra-easy cleanup with minimal rinsing or light washing. 3 practical sizes: 1, 2, and 3 quart for daily cooking tasks. Fast and even heating thanks to the aluminum alloy base. Compatible with most stovetops, including induction. Heat-resistant glass lids to monitor food without lifting. Ergonomic, stay-cool handles for comfort and safety. Double-riveted, handcrafted handles for long-term durability. The glass lids deserve special mention. They're heat-resistant and let you monitor your food without constantly lifting the lid, which helps retain moisture, flavor, and nutrients. That's a small detail that makes a big difference when you're trying to cook smarter and more efficiently. The handles are another strong point. They're long, comfortable, and designed to stay cool while cooking. The double-riveted construction gives them a sturdy, well-balanced feel, which adds confidence when you're pouring or transferring hot food. Overall, this saucepan set feels thoughtfully designed, from the materials to the sizing to the everyday usability. It's not flashy cookware. It's cookware that actually works the way you want it to. If you're ready to simplify your cooking routine, reduce cleanup time, and upgrade to healthier nonstick cookware, this set is absolutely worth checking out. Click the link in the description to see the Michelangelo Nonstick Saucepan with lid set for yourself. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. And if you enjoy honest, practical kitchen reviews like this one, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.